Are you able to remember your thought process in those
Yes.
4 days? Like what was going through your mind?
Yes, I do. And everyone wonders how I remember, but that maybe for the sake of advocacy, God put it in my mind so that I can remember. So I felt like I was not the mother to my child, like she was exchanged at birth or something. Like I had a lot of delusional thoughts, you know, like I was a burden to the people, because at that time I was not employed. So I felt like a burden to the people around me, that's my family, and they would provide everything for the baby, diapers, food, milk, everything. So I felt like a burden. I felt like I didn't deserve this baby, basically, because I felt like a bad mother. You get? Yes. So those were some of the thoughts that were going on in my head. So, and every negative thought gave birth to a negative thought, to a point it reached I didn't want to be in this world. So I felt like if I exited, then I would not be a burden to people anymore. And then also that if I left my baby, then I would leave a burden still, because my baby was my responsibility. And if I leave that responsibility to the people I leave behind, that will be maybe too much for them. So then the thought, that's how mothers, you see mothers have killed themselves and their babies. I usually say that there's no sane mother who would want to kill their baby. It's because they have convinced themselves that if I die, the other place is better, both for me and my child. So you'll find that most times if you talk to that mother, they will regret the decision maybe after it has already happened.
Now in the second pregnancy, that was the first pregnancy. Were you afraid when you conceived the second time, or how was that experience? And when you experienced it a second time?
Yeah, of course, there were those fears that what if it, even my family had those fears. But I think being born again helped, and it continues to help me a lot, because then I have the reassurance that he who began a good work in me will carry it to completion. So I trusted God, and I believed that God would help me navigate postpartum. And he sure did, because this time when it came for the second time, it was very minor. In fact, it's only a few people who noticed, and they were able to arrest it before it went further. So the second time, of course, there were those concerns and fears, but we were prepared for that.